Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be opening up the 2 Pokemon packs, Dollar Tree, because I said it yesterday that I was going to open these 2 up tomorrow, and I am collecting the Tapus, you know. I do have Tapu Lele and Tapu Coco, and also have the Tapu Coco Trumbull card, which my friend Jandre gave me. Comment down below, Jandre. So, shout out to you. So wait, Jandre, we gotta do this together, you know? This shout out goes to GOOCHIE Squad. Still remember that? Okay. So if you did that with me, I like it, you know? So I'm gonna be opening up these 2. Let's get on with the Lugia. Just get my scissors. So, guys, got my scissors. And last video, I noticed like a little mistake. I was kind of giving like a spoiler because I opened the cards up facing the front like this. Whereas when I have to open the cards facing back like this, so I don't like spoil the card. Even though it's nothing. It's a code card or something, even though it's not code card. Card trick like that. A Trico, Sightseer, which I already have, and the reverse hollow fairy charm. Uncommon, sympathizing, not high, but it's still very cool. Good luck, last pack magic. So we got this one. So it looks like it's a different code card thing, even though it's not called a code card. See, it still has the same like thing like this. So last pack magic. Last video I said if I get Tapu Coco or Tapu Boo, I need the Tapus. I'm gonna try to boost some cats, so last pack magic. Please don't make me try to boost some cats because my baby brother's sleeping. On Metal Energy, Picky Pack, and last pack magic. Boots and cats! Beautiful! Beautiful hollow Tapu Boo. So we got one more Tapu to go, and it's Tapu Feet. Nice looking Tapu Boo hollow. Rare. Last pack magic. I did say I was gonna flip, but mine set. I got Tapu Boo and Tapus. I did say I was gonna flip my set over. Mr. Cookie. We got Mr. Poop. You know, we gotta love Poop, you know? He's looking so happy right now. So I'm gonna... So, in my Pokemon videos, this is my little set. It's very bad looking. So I just have my Mark Shifley box. It was a bobblehead. And then I put my stand on it, which I made from paper and tape, and a paper clip, because you can never go wrong with a paper clip. So I adjust it and stuff, you know what I mean? Like I adjust low and high. Let me just show you. So like here, and then you like put it low and you put it high. See, like a little adjusting thing for the paper clip. I did say I was gonna flip it, so here. Wait. Let me show you something first. In here there are dominoes. Dominoes which I used for old videos which I made. And if my channel gets 2,500 views on my channel, I'm gonna do a special shout outs. I'm gonna do like everything because I'm so close. I'm at 2,354. That was the last time I saw it. It did change, I know. There's people viewed on this video too, so last time I checked it was 2,500. Well, whatever, you know what no, 2,354. I think that's what I said. I'm gonna flip this. This has dominoes in it, you know. Flip it in 3, 2, 1. Well, that was anticlimactic from my view, from my perspective, but I flipped it. Well, I didn't flip it, I just punched it over, but so we got some last pack magic. Got Tapu Bulu, thing I always wanted. And if you want to check the last video if you haven't seen it, it was pretty good too. Got a really nice looking card. And yeah, guys, like this video. So guys, next time on my next video, which I am gonna do. So, by the way, if we do reach 2,500 views on my channel, do all sorts of things, you know? All sorts of things. And you guys still remember Messiah? Yeah, 2,500 views, and we're gonna bring him in and do a special shout out thing or something. Yeah. See you guys, and shout out to Jandre if you haven't. Okay, if you don't know Jandre will comment on this video. Hopefully, if he sees it. His name is GOOCHIE Squad. So comment on his channel, like subscribe to his channel, like his videos, cause shout out to him. He's good. Yeah. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye.